So hi guys, Umadum is back online. Why didn't you hear from us or see any videos from us in the last 3 months? Easy answered, our editing computer gave up. It didn't start, it started, it didn't start, so we were not able to edit any films. It's very hard in these countries to get a replacement, especially we wanted the newest, fastest MacBook model we can get. What's in the upcoming film? In this film you see in little stories what happened to us in these 3 months. And later on we will tell you with what computer we have now and which model. This is Tali from Russia.
This is Guenther from Austria. Come with us. Driving now in taxi in Panama City. Very well done. Yeah, what's your name? ¿Cómo se llama?
Gilberto Bermudo.
Mucho gusto.
Amen.
So, after crazy running around in Panama City, fully legal again, we are heading back to the boat. It will be another, 4 hours of trip, but finally everything what we need to do in Panama City done. Buying now diesel and gasoline, because we are going in rainy season to San Blas. There is no wind, so unluckily, even if we are performance catamaran, we have to buy a lot of diesel just in case if there is no wind and we have to motor. So there is a water in the rainy season.
Before we went on the trip to Colombia, we spent some days in our beloved San Blas Islands. So I'm just thinking if I should go fishing now.
The 300 miles trip to Colombia was quite uneventful, but first we had to get clear of the outer reefs of San Blas. I was thinking, no, it's impossible, there is no land. I was looking to the charts, I was looking to the Bauhaus book, there is no land. But from far away it looks really like land. Right now we are passing by huge sargassum fields.
There was sunshine, there was a lot of rain, there was wind, there was no wind, we had to use the engine quite a bit of the trip. We came into Cartagena harbor with the first light of the morning. All the warships anchored in the bay were brightly lit. We didn't know, but there was a South American tall ship meeting in Cartagena.
So in Cartagena, my daughter Ksenia arrived from Dubai with a new editing computer in the bag. So 1 day of shopping and we went back now for 4 weeks of her holiday in San Blas Islands. Look what we got today. 2 hours to catch this fish, and it took me 2 hours to make this ceviche.
So, for everybody who is asking what you are doing the whole day when you are on a boat. Ceviche. Yeah, this is prawns in Japanese style with fresh made pita bread.
So we are pretty low on food already. So we can cook from our garden, we can fish, and we are creative cooking. And today I'm making salad from lettuce what we are growing ourselves and yogurt what we are making ourselves.
Fresh. Wow. But even 4 weeks of holiday has to have an end. So we say back to Linton Bay, from where Ksenia will take a ride to the airport in Panama City to fly back to work in Dubai. So the new computer is a very fast thing. It's a Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch screen with an M1 Pro chip in it, 16 gigabyte of memory, and so on and so on. It's pretty fast, it's fun to work with it, it's fun to edit with it. We had in the old computer sometimes this it did not work really. You couldn't see, especially with fast cuts, what's happening. Here it always goes smooth and wonderful, and you see what you are doing, what I had not always in the old computer.